In 2026, healthcare reaches the last mile, even the places doctors rarely reach.
Just a quick scan, sir. This will only take a few seconds.
Nanobots, smaller than a grain of rice. These tiny machines can repair damage from the inside before it becomes deadly.
You're doing much better now. Keep following your plan, you'll recover fully.
I can finally get care without driving hours. And across America, freight no longer sleeps. It thinks. By 2026, America's freight network is no longer just roads. It's a living digital system.
Route optimized. Arrival time improved by 14%. No human intervention required. All routes optimized. Zero collision probability detected.
Reaction time, 0.08 seconds. Faster than any human can process.
This is not the future coming. This is the future already arriving.
Let's explore how gravity shapes entire galaxies in real time.
You're improving faster than yesterday.
Try this step again. You've almost got it.
Every student learns at their own speed. Perfectly optimized.
Knowledge gap detected in algebraic reasoning. Adjusting lesson path. It actually knows what I'm missing.
AI doesn't just teach, it understands how you learn.
Every child, everywhere.
Now learns without limits.
In 2026, energy is no longer generated blindly. It is predicted, optimized, and perfected.
Peak demand predicted in 12 seconds. Load balancing initiated.
AI can react before blackouts even begin.
Grid instability detected. Redirecting backup reserves. Before humans even notice, AI already solved the crisis.
The biggest problem with clean energy was storage, until AI solved it.
Battery efficiency, 99.8%. Optimal performance maintained.
When AI controls energy, America doesn't just consume power, it masters it. In 2026, robots won't live in factories alone.
Good morning, Emma. Your breakfast is ready. They'll live with us. Emotion analysis complete. Predicting assistance request in 3, 2, 1.
These robots don't just follow commands, they understand you.
Careful, Margaret, I've got you.
Thank you, dear.
For millions of seniors, AI may become the most reliable daily companion.
Assembly efficiency increased by 42%.
AI robots won't just replace labor, they'll redefine productivity. Healthcare, transportation, education, energy, robotics. 5 revolutions, one nation transformed forever. The future isn't coming, America is already living it.